What's up, reloaders, casters, and shooters? Thanks for joining, and welcome to Eagle's Nest on the road. I actually just came back from the range, my little shooting spot, and I really didn't want to film it just because it's kind of boring. And my main purpose of going was just to fire form a 6.5 Creedmoor brass from Starline. That way I could continue on with a 6.5 Creedmoor hand loading series. And since I was there, I might as well just try out some ladder charges, and I went above the listed Hornady 10th edition. I went to 43 grains of 4451, and I still haven't hit any pressure signs, so got some wiggle room. But I was actually surprised that all the groups today were right at MOA accuracy, and I actually got one to be really tight. And like I said, this was just using brand new Starline brass, and that little group right there, minus this little guy right here, which I don't know if I pulled it or not. I'm not 100% sure. If I was to pull that, put that shot away, that little 4-shot group right there was a 600-inch group. So I'm really surprised on that one. But all the other shots, like I said, were right at MOA. And I was, it goes to show that just having a little bit of uniformity on your powder charges and your loads, you can just outperform your factory match ammunition. So stay tuned on that. I'm going to continue on with the hand loading series and talk about next some cool tools about prepping your brass other than just resizing. We're going to see how good the Lee Ultimate Die Set works, and also give you guys kind of informative information about sizing the brass. So there's some important information I'd like to share with you guys, and see if you guys are sizing your brass correctly. So we'll talk about that later, but I actually got a notice that a package was delivered, and I've been kind of expecting this. This package is from Full Lead Taco. I highly recommend checking out Full Lead Taco, his channel. He's got a lot of cool videos. He's into casting and reloading, and he shoots all the crazy big bore calibers that you could think of. Cool dude. Check out his channel. But he sent me this big box, and I kind of know what's in it, but then it's kind of heavy for what I think it's in here. So let's open this up, see what we got. Well, the one thing that I know what's in here is a AR barrel. Now, I've been looking for this certain barrel for an AR, and I just haven't had luck. And he hit me up and told me that, hey, I got a lot of projects going on right now, that this barrel is just kind of sitting on the shelf. So he said, you know what, I know you'll put it to good use. I want you to see what you can do with it. He hooked me up, got me a good deal, sent this over. Let's see what's in here. Whoa. Man, look at that packaging. That gives you guys a close-up. Sorry for the poor lighting. Man, look at that packing. Full Lead Taco, you, my man, are a professional packer. Wow, okay, so first up, let's see what we got here. Looks like bullets. Wow. Taco, you are the bomb, dude. He sent me some 75 grain 6mm bullets, varmint spear bullets. Check that out. I got 2 boxes, so I got 200 bullets to get this loaded and to get this load development done and see what this thing could do. Also have some, oh wow, looks like already sized brass. If you guys know what this cartridge is, go ahead and pause the video and throw a comment below. But I gave you guys 2 hints. 6mm bullet, and looks like an AR 223 brass, huh? See what the head stamp is. Come on, focus. Yeah, it ain't working with me. But yeah, that looks cool. This looks really, really nice. All right. Oh, we have some more bullets. Check this out. Some 58 grain VMAXs. Wow. Okay, those are going to scream. We also have. He sent me the die set, and to give it out what this barrel is. 6mm by 223, 6 by 45. This will be a cool little round that I've been trying to get into. I haven't had luck with the barrel. So, let's see what kind of barrel, what it looks like. Here is, wow. Here is the new AR barrel. Black hole weaponry, 6 by 45, 1 in 10 twist, 16-inch barrel, and it looks like the standard gas block. This is a awesome barrel. Oh, I must have opened the box upside down. Here's a note. Let's see what this says. Hey Eagle Eye, hope this package finds you healthy and well, and your family too. I threw in a couple boxes of projectiles. I figured it'll give you something to load up right away. Barrel's threaded, 1.5 by 28, so you, when you pick up a muzzle device, make sure the hole's big enough for the bullet. Yes sir, that is some really good valid information there. Since these are 6mm, you don't want to put a 223 muzzle brake. Things will go kapooey. Big old smiley face there. Okay, so he says the barrel's new and unfired. The dies are great. I tested them out by sizing a couple 223 cases and converting the cases to 6 by 45. And these are the cases he was talking about. And yes, they do look really, really good. I have never tried out some Redding dies, so I'm actually really happy and really excited to try these out. And very similar, looking at the 223, that would be hard to dictate that this is in fact a 6mm fired case compared to the range brass on the floor. So that would be pretty fun. Make sure when I'm shooting 223 I'm well away from the 6 by 45. Alright, he says, anyways, I hope you have a great time with the barrel. I need to quit buying stuff and focus more on stuff I've already bought. Take care, man, and enjoy. Full Taco, brother, you're awesome. And I thank you for this. I'm really happy, really excited to get this built, get it up or going for it. I'm thinking of doing a side charger. If you guys have any opinions, throw a comment below. Let me know what you think will work out for this. I know this is only a 16-inch barrel, but looking at the velocities, this will still reach out pretty far. So it'll be kind of nice to have a nice light rifle for once that I could take out and shoot long range. So we'll have some fun with this, and I'm very excited. Again, Full Taco, you're very generous. Thank you very much for this. I'm really happy to get into this 6 by 45, and we'll see what these do. So let me know what you guys think about what upper I should get, if I should get a side charger upper or to stick with a regular upper. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Taurus G2C. It's still carry practice.
Trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting shit but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross chops in my mind. On my own, here we go.